In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your Facebook ads reach within just 5 minutes. This is for everyone who's looking to get the most out of their advertising budget, expand their audience, and achieve better results with their campaigns. So let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is your starting point for all things related to Facebook ads. It's where you'll manage your campaigns, analyze your performance, and most importantly for today, tweak your settings to maximize your reach. Once you're at the Facebook Business Manager page, the next step is to log in using your Facebook credentials. This might seem straightforward, but remember you need to log in with the account that has access to the Facebook ads you want to work with. Depending on your setup, this could be your personal account or a dedicated business account. After successfully logging in, you'll be prompted to choose your account from the list provided. Select the account that's associated with the ads you're intending to optimize. This will bring you into the heart of your advertising dashboard. Next, you will locate the ads option in the lower left panel of your screen. This section houses all the critical tools for ad management, and you're getting closer to the real action. Once you've clicked on ads, the next click leads you to the Ads Manager. Think of the Ads Manager as your control center for everything related to your Facebook ads. It's here that you'll make adjustments, set budgets, and crucially for today, work on extending your reach. With the Ads Manager open, head over to the Campaigns section. This area shows all your advertising efforts lined up. It's a good time to review what you've been doing and how your campaigns are structured before diving into specifics. Within the Campaigns segment, locate and click on the Ads subsection. Here you'll find every ad you've created under the campaigns you've set up. It's crucial to identify which ad or ads you want to focus on for reach optimization as we proceed. Now find the ad you wish to enhance and click on Edit. This button is your gateway to making changes that can significantly affect how widely your ad is seen. It's where the magic starts, and you'll have the opportunity to adjust settings directly impacting your ad's reach. After hitting Edit, your next step is to focus on your ad set. This section contains settings that define the audience for your ad, including demographic information, interests, and more. Your ad set is a key player in determining who sees your ads, making it a pivotal point for reach optimization. Moving on, navigate to the audience section within your ad set. Audience selection is instrumental in defining the reach of your advertisement. It's here that you tailor who you want your ads to be shown to based on characteristics like age, location, interests, and behaviors. It's now time to go deeper with your targeting by clicking on Advantage Detailed Targeting. This powerful feature allows you to refine your audience further based on very specific interests, behaviors, and demographics. The more precise you are, the more you're able to ensure that your ads are seen by people most likely to be interested in what you're offering. Finally, type in your keyword in the provided field within the detailed targeting section. This is where you can really fine-tune who sees your ads. By including specific keywords that are relevant to your target audience, you increase the likelihood that your ads will be shown to people with a genuine interest in your product or service. With these steps, you've taken comprehensive actions towards boosting the reach of your Facebook ads. Remember, reaching a wider audience is crucial, but it's equally important to target the right audience. By fine-tuning your ad sets and using the advantage of detailed targeting, you're setting your campaigns up for better performance and ultimately a higher return on investment. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial on increasing your Facebook ads reach in just 5 minutes. We've covered everything from accessing your ad settings in the Facebook Business Manager to diving deep into audience targeting to maximize your ads' potential reach. These steps are designed to help you make strategic adjustments, ensuring your content is seen by a broader, yet more targeted audience. Now it's your turn to implement these tips and watch your campaigns thrive. Happy advertising,